I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot. And today we're in my Millings driveway. I'm standing in it because a lot of people that have been watching my video on putting the Millings down have since commented and wondered how it held up to snow plowing. You just saw the drone footage, so you know that it's still here. It's not like I pushed it away, but it has held up. I'm very happy with it. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. I mean, you're here, the button's right below the video. It's free. It'll literally cost you nothing to subscribe. Do me that favor. You're here watching, you might as well subscribe. I did make a mistake this winter when plowing. The first time I came out, I didn't have the shoes on my snowplow tight enough, put it down too hard, wasn't paying attention, and ended up pushing a pile over here. Now, don't mind all the tree stuff because I had some logs sitting here that I cut up, but there are millings down here that I pushed up that I do need to clean up. But this is the only spot because it was one push and then I realized that I was dragging it. There's no real divots in it from where I was pushing, so I don't know where it grabbed it from, but it has held up pretty well. A lot of people say I wasted my money on seal coating. Well, maybe I did, maybe I didn't, but it's held up pretty well. There is one soft spot right here. You can see where this mud is coming through. I don't know. You can kind of feel or hear my feet kind of pushing in it and moving it around. That's because right here under my driveway is a natural spring. Water keeps coming up, pushing the mud up. So just this little area that you see right here is a problem for us. Everything else is great. We haven't had any issues. It's really packed down. I mean, if you like get this top layer of stone out of the way, if you just brush that out of the way, this is all really hard asphalt under here. I mean, if I took like a broom to this and swept it all away, this would be asphalt. I mean, you can feel it. Well, you can't feel it, but I can feel it. It's super, super hard. I mean, it feels like pavement. Yeah, it's not perfect. And we leave this stone on top just because. You can see where the cars turn in. I mean, you can see right there. But that's because of the natural path of pulling in and parking. We'll go down to the end of my driveway where it's really packed. You can see that it's pretty much consistent the whole way down. So down here is about the hardest part because this is where everybody pulls in. Everybody rides this same spot. This, again, if you brush it away, this is all really, really hard asphalt. Yeah, I don't know what would happen if you took like a street sweeper or something, swept all the loose gravel away, what it would look like. And you can actually see this one spot right here, right there, that spot right there. I actually had a dump truck went too far over here and it cracked this spot right here. So this, I took a blowtorch to and hammered it down. And I mean, that is about as much as asphalt gets right there. So besides that, I mean, it's holding up pretty well. Everybody's been asking, does the plow ruin it? I don't have any divots. I don't have any cleaning up to do over here. Although, that being said, I do use a snow pusher, not a plow, so everything gets pushed to the same spot in the back. But we'll just walk around. You guys can check it out. Uh-oh, visitor. Tucker, what are you doing?
I got a box for you.
You got a box for me? What kind of box? What is it? Presents?
No idea.
Where did this come from? Amazon.com?
Yeah.
I'm making a video on how my driveway held up over winter. A lot of people are asking.
Not very well.
You don't think so?
Well, I mean, if it could use like two sprays this,
Well, I mean, if you like just move the gravel out of the way. This is all hard asphalt right there, bud.
Oh yeah.
It's just a little gravel on top.
Nah. I guess that's just from the snow pusher.
Yeah, just the snow pusher pushed it up a little bit. For the most part, it's pretty good shape.
Yeah.
Well, Tucker just stopped by, gave his opinion, so. And sorry if it's really windy. I'm obviously outside. Now, I will say the guys that did seal coat it, over around the building, they actually used a brush instead of the spray. I mean, it is held together way better. This feels, I mean, the seal coating is holding it together a lot better than where they sprayed. I wish they would have brushed the whole thing. You can see where they brushed it on. That section right there. And then it gets loose. So I guess if you're gonna try to do some seal coating, I would ask them to, hey, maybe get the big bristle brush out and brush it on instead of spray it. I don't know. Well, guys, if you have any more questions about my Asphalt Millings driveway, make sure you leave a comment below. If you haven't seen the video of me having them put this down, I'll put a link up top for you guys to check it out. Until the next one, hope you guys have a great day.